Why, hello pool friends! So this is officially my first pool video of the season. I'm gonna unbox this Intex Ultra-frame XTR 20 foot 48 inch deep. Same pool that we had for 3 seasons, and it's been sitting outside and it's actually been raining, so I have a tarp over it. We had to buy the whole set and it came with a pump, but I have a pump, but that was the only way to get it on Amazon. So if you're looking to see what comes with this pool, this is a video for you. Along the way you're going to get tips from me, and then in the future, like this weekend, we're going to set up the pool. So you'll have a whole nother setup video, how to set up the sand pump, how to put sand in the pump, how to put salt in your pool, all those things. And if you need a setup video now, I will link them in the description box below, and I'll pop them in a little card right here. Disclaimer, they're not perfect, but I will tell you through the video what I did wrong so that you don't make that mistake. And hopefully this year we'll have like a perfect video of how to do everything right. But for now, this is going to be a quick video on just unboxing what comes with the pool. And at the end of the video, I will tell you all the extra things that I bought for the pool this year, like the tarp, the pavers, the rust proofing stuff, the sand, the salt, all the other stuff that I bought. But right now, this is just what comes with this package deal. Okay, so here it is, and look, this is why I'm unboxing it, because it's been raining out here and I don't need this getting wet, it's got things in it that plug in and I don't want it to rust. So we're gonna unbox it, but here it is, 20 foot round, 48 inch. This is the XTR. So extra strong. This is my recommended pool. So let's see what's in this whole package. Do not open with a knife is what it says. Alright, so this is what it has, your owner's manual here. Alright. Whoa. Alright, here's that junky tarp I'm telling you about. This thing falls apart in the first year. No. Alright, this is the cover that comes with the pool. I don't love that either. It's hard to put on by yourself. It's not big enough. It should be bigger. But we'll try to use it. It's just a lot of work to put the cover on. What about you? Do you cover your pool? Here's the liner. Let's get the rest of the stuff out. That looks like the ladder. It's all the connection pieces.
Ooh, legs.
The top connectors and your leg bases. Don't forget to use the bases. Also, this year we're using pavers because those sank into the ground anyways. Alright, so this is the top part of the pump, which I'm using my own pump, but I'm going to keep this one for a backup, so I'm just not going to open it though in case I want to sell it or something. This is the liner. Is it good? Oh! There's a lot of stuff. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay, those are the legs. I just really need to get this stuff out of the rain. This is the ladder. There's your ladder. Alright. None of it got wet yet, thankfully. Thing is, it's so heavy. Oh my gosh.
Come on, I can help you carry it.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Those are all the legs. It's not as big as ours, that's for sure.
It looks the same as ours.
What did I say about kids' commentary?
I don't know what commentary means, so I don't do commentary if I don't know what commentary means.
Alright, so I went ahead and opened the filter just to see how big it is. So like I said, I have the bigger one because they recommended to go a size bigger to make it easier on your pump, so we did that. But this one looks awesome. It has all the pieces. I am going to need some of these because they were on my pool before, and so these are, I'm glad I opened it. So this is what you get with it. Alright, so here is everything that comes with this package deal. The ladder, it's the same one we had last year. It's not great. And it does rust, but we're going to get a zinc node this year as well. The liner, this is all the legs, the cover, the tarp that goes underneath, the things that hook the legs together, and the base for the legs. This is the filter, and I'm assuming this is just more things that go with the filter. I guess I should open that. But yeah, that's it. No knife. I don't know how they expect you to open it without a knife. Oh yeah, the top to the filter. And yeah, that part of the filter. I don't know if you can see that very well. But anyways, that's everything. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope you check out my other pool videos. I hope you subscribe and stay tuned for the perfect pool. Just kidding. I'm gonna real quick show you the extra stuff that I did order for the pool, because I promised that I would, in hopes that we're gonna have everything done right, and if we do that, then this salt pool will last 6 years is my goal. So let me know what you think about that, and what kind of pool did you order this season, and anything else you want to share in the comments is welcome. Let's go check out my extras. Alright, so here are 6 bags of salt, 40 pounds each, 240 pounds of salt. I probably won't need all 6, but it was sold like in even numbers. So I think last year I only ended up using 5 for this 20-foot, 48-inch deep pool. Here is our ground. You can see how much we had to dig out to level it, and then last year we had the issue of it still sinking on this side because it's soft. Sorry about the wind. So it just needs a little cleanup, and then we're going to be putting a really good tarp down. Spent about $60 on a heavy-duty 20 by 20 tarp, so I hope that works. And then this is the filter sand, just really basic aqua quartz. I have another one coming because this is 100 pounds right here with 2 bags, and my big filter did not get to the sand fill line with 2 bags, so I think it's going to be 2.5 bags, which is kind of a pain, but it's just what it is. And I'll show you the other things that I have for rust really quick. Okay, so I ordered my salt testers. I ordered my basic 5-way test kit, which this is pretty basic, but I like it. Works fine for what I need it for. You don't need the fancy ones in my opinion. And then I got this T9 rust and corrosion protection, and I got 2 of these, and I'm going to coat all of the legs extra with this and the connectors and everything. So hopefully that helps with the rust. And like I said, I'm going to get a zinc node too, which attracts the rust to it. And then I think this comes with the pool as well, with this package order, because the Amazon sent me this and I did not order this. So this I think is part of the pool package that they send you. So you will also get that maintenance kit, chlorine tablets, shock. The cat does not come with it. Hey. Alright, and lastly, this is the tarp, the 20 by 20 heavy duty tarp that we got to go underneath, and another can of this. So lots of extras this year. I still have to get the pavers before I can put it up.